It's day number 6 in Cancun, aka our last day, saddest day. And you'll notice on the last day, the trees are not moving because it's finally not windy the day we're leaving. But it actually does feel a lot more humid, so maybe it's a good thing we have a wind. What are we doing? We're just packing and eating a breakfast. We decided not to go out, and we're just eating some cereal and milk and yogurt and banana. We're just trying to finish off the food that we bought and just kind of finishing packing. We were up way later than we wanted to be last night because we decided to do laundry when we got back at like 9:30, which we've been going to bed around 9:30 to 10, so we went to bed pretty late, pretty tired. And now we're just gonna finish packing up and check out. Really sad to be leaving. You don't want to go back to real life. Just want to stay on the beach and have no problems and drink margaritas in the pool for the rest of my life. That sounds pretty nice. I think I'm gonna do that for my whole life. Yeah, me too. Finished breakfast. Look at this view one last time. Look at how beautiful. I don't want to leave, but it's so pretty. Apparently it snowed back home the past few days, so that's great to go back to. Oh, and I don't think that like date on the beach last night was a proposal, but I'm not totally sure. I don't know. It's still very romantic, but just finishing up breakfast. I am gonna clean up some of the dishes and then just finish packing this mess that we have made. I'm very sad to be leaving here. Very, very sad. But we had a great time, and I'm really happy we came. So we will be back. It was very, very nice. We will be back. So we're in the lobby. We just checked out. And we're waiting. Our shuttle should be here in about 10 minutes. And we're just looking at the view. Ready one last time. This is the lobby. It's beautiful. It's all open and bright. And then look out there. There's like a bunch of fountains. Yeah. It's really pretty. See, look at that. It goes right into the pool, into the ocean. We are on the plane, ready to go. Sad about it. Everything went pretty smooth. It was actually a lot easier than like American airports because we didn't have to take our shoes off, didn't have to take everything out of our bags. It went by super quickly, which was really nice. And then we just got some lunch. Now we're on the plane, and there's some really cute puppies on the plane. They're so cute. But we're sad to be going home. As I've said a million times, still sad about it. But we had a great time. minutes left or 9 o'clock at night. We landed on time, got our bags, went through customs, no problem. Had to wait like 25 minutes or so for the shuttle to take us to the parking garage we parked at. And then we got some dinner, and now we just got home. Turned the heat back on. Apartment looks like it's in good shape, but we had a ton of fun, right?
Yes, very much fun.
It's so much fun, and we just can't stop talking about how much fun it is and how relaxing it was. And we can't stop talking about how much fun the trip was and how relaxing it was.
It was so relaxing that it went by super fast.
Yeah, it went by way too fast. What's that about? I have to do real life again tomorrow, but don't worry, we'll be on another trip soon again. And thank you to Bill and Melanie for letting us use your hotel.
Thank you.
Yes, we appreciate it very much. Alright, bye everyone.